Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Bonnie. Bonnie's here 12 days after her hair transplant. She just had her stitches out yesterday, and she, as you know, is one of our technicians here and was nice enough to show her surgery day. And so we want to show off what it looks like about, just shy of 2 weeks. So you can see what she's doing with her hair, and she's kind of bringing it down in the front, underneath everything, over top of everything. Now she does have a little area here in the middle, but it's just, you can see some of these scabs are almost all the way off. A lot of those are going to fall off over the next couple days. She's out of the swelling phase. How much swelling did you have?
Not too much.
Okay.
I had a little golf ball on the side, on the top of my forehead, but it wasn't too bad. Didn't go into my eyes,
Awesome. You didn't have the raccoon eyes or anything like that, which is pretty rare. I'm going to lift the hood up here so you can really see what's going on. So you can see scabbing on its way out. More scabbing here. we talked about some ideas that you could get those off a little faster. And then we just look at our suture line, and it looks great. I'll try to show you a little bit of it. But it really isn't an issue, obviously, at this length. But he can show you what it looks like. And this is 1 day after taking these out. So suture line's right there. See a little line? And there's scabs on either side of it. Those are all going to come off, and it'll be completely hidden, but you won't even be able to find this in about 2 weeks. So awesome. Thanks again for showing everyone, and I cannot wait to see you pulling your hair back when this comes in.
I can't wait.
Is it a relief to get the stitches out? Does it feel better at night now?
Yes, and it wasn't so much pain, it was just pressure. The sutures are on the back of your head, so when you go to lay down at night, you feel them in a way. Right. So to get that out was such a huge relief.
Cool.
And I'm on the road to...
Yep. Now the hard part's over. Now just the waiting.
Yeah. Which is hard for me because I'm not patient.
Thanks again, Bonnie. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.